If Go High Level makes you feel like one wrong click might blow up your entire CRM, yeah, you're not crazy. Most beginners set up Go High Level totally backwards and wonder why nothing fires, nothing moves, and everything feels like chaos. Today, I'm going to actually show you a super simple Go High Level CRM setup for 2026 that actually works. Cool. All right, real quick. Why should you even listen to me? Aloha, my name is Stacia, and I'm the person business owners call after they've broken their Go High Level setup 6 different ways and they're convinced the whole platform hates them. So do yourself a favor and call me before you get there. I clean up messy Go High Level accounts, fix broken workflows, build automations that actually close deals, and set up CRM systems that make your business feel easy. So yeah, I've seen every kind of Go High Level disaster, and I know exactly how to make yours run smooth. Cool, right? So let's build the system the right way. So before you even get there, hopefully you haven't gotten there yet, but we're going to share with you today how to actually get started. All right. So number one, your agency versus your sub account. Go High Level actually has 2 houses. House one is the agency house, the agency dashboard, not your actual house. This is your bills, your admin stuff. House number 2 is your business house. This is your actual CRM. You can actually have multiple sub accounts, and that is going to be where you're going to build out your actual business, your CRM. This is where everything should be built in the agency side. All right. And so what you're going to do is go to settings right now in the agency house and go to company, and you're going to fill out all the things that Go High Level wants you to fill out. Who are you? Like your name, your email, your phone number, your address, your time zone, your calendar, email provider, your phone provider, your domains. If you skip anything here, Go High Level actually gets confused and nothing works right. Step number 2, you're going to want to create a simple 4-stage pipeline. Look, most people have way too many pipeline stages, and we don't need that. We're going to keep it super simple, like a 5th grader could run it. Okay. Here are the 4 stages that you need. Number 1, new leads. When a new lead comes in, we want to put it into a pipeline stage, new lead. Contacted, appointment is set, and closed or won, right? We want more of those closed or won deals. That's it. We're not doing 14 different stages. We're not maybe thinking about it. My cat got sick, and just 4 steps that actually matter. Pipeline settings. We're going to go over to pipeline settings and turn on these for the new leads, contacted, appointment set, and closed won. Everything else goes into the pie chart because they're categories, not steps. So these are just the 4 steps, and we're going to turn on the funnel section for the reporting. It'll make sense later. Step number 3, tags. Tags are like sticky notes that you put on people so Go High Level knows what to do with them. We're going to use very simple tags like buyer, seller, if you're in real estate, which I work with a lot of real estate agents here, hot leads, hot, nurture, past clients. If you've been in business for any amount of time, you probably have some past clients. You want to make sure to keep track of those. Facebook lead, Google lead, where did they come from? A website lead. Don't overthink these, but very simple tags equals simple automations. Step 4, smart list. Smart lists are like baskets that sort of sort people for you. So you can make things like a smart list for new leads that just came in within the last 7 days, hot leads. Maybe you had a call with them and they're a hot lead that you want to make sure that you keep following up with. There's no contact within 7 days, maybe no contact within 30 days. Like I said, buyers or sellers, we can filter that out by the tags to make these smart lists. Past clients, someone who needs an appointment, maybe you need to reschedule, and a whole list of people who are in the nurture sequence. Every morning, open Go High Level and check your smart lists. Boom. Your CRM literally handles your to-do list. Step number 5, your follow-up workflow. This is the workflow that saves more leads than anything else beginners do. So the first thing you want to do is go into automations, workflows, and we're going to start from scratch. You're going to have a trigger for every contact created, or maybe you have a filter or a tag that triggers the automation, like tag added buyer or seller. And then you could have actions right under that. You're going to have send them a text message or have another tag, especially if you want to tag certain type of people that go into this particular workflow. But first things first, we can send a text. Hey, thanks for reaching out. When's a good time to talk? And then we put a wait step right after that. And then we could move that contact to a stage called contacted. And then we can also add like an action like create a follow-up task or send an email. All right, cool. So let's keep going. Step 6, daily habits that print money. Every time you click a contact, I want to make sure that you write a note. Here on the right-hand side, you can write a note. You can go ahead and move the client or prospect to a particular stage. You can create a task. You can set a reminder to follow up at a certain amount of time. You can see appointments and notes and all kinds of things here on the actual contact itself. Your CRM is not a junk drawer. It's a money-making machine, but only if you keep it updated, right? Step 7, mistakes to avoid. So please don't do this. I'm going to give you a list of things. Do not do any of these things. Too many stages in the pipeline, too many tags, random workflows, ignoring your smart lists. They're there for a reason. Not having a calendar set up, no voicemail set up, no missed call text back. That's one of the best features. If you miss a call and you can have an automatic missed call text to them, then they will more likely be able to respond and book an appointment right there and there with you without having to go down to the next thing. And not ever testing anything. It's all about testing. I know it could be overwhelming, but you want to make sure that you test things so that you understand what works and what isn't working. But keep your CRM simple, because simple wins every time. If you want the cheat code version, you can unlock my full Go High Level Mastery course for free when you start your 30-day trial below. So go ahead and get it. You're going to get access to my CRM setup checklist, starter automations, workflow, follow-up workflows, 2026 beginner trainings, and my real estate systems. Everything unlocks instantly. All you have to do is grab access to your 30-day trial below, and comment below if this actually helped you. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what part you want me to cover next. Pipelines, workflows, following up, and make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.